Hello, babies. Oh my god, they're so cute.
I think so. Oh, I was gonna bring them. I guess we can leave them. It doesn't matter. This is the balcony. And the house is completely surrounded by big trees and ferns, which I think is cool because there's been ferns following me on this trip. Everywhere we've gone, there's been a fern. Like, seriously, it's kind of funny. Ferns weren't even on my radar until a few weeks ago when I bought myself one.
Hi, babies. Hello, babies. Oh my god, they're so cute. They're trying to hide. The babies.
So we are currently in Lost City, Virginia. We're at Trout Lake. We are on day like 10 of our vacation. We just came from South Carolina, which was actually absolutely beautiful. On the drive over here, we saw a little baby possum that was like really injured, and there was flies all around it, so we picked it up because it was in the middle of the road, kind of stumbling around, and we picked it up and we put it on the side of the road. There's tons of wildlife here, though. I've seen a bunch of birds. This is the lake. I'm gonna walk down. I'm hanging out with Kayla and working on coloring. It's absolutely gorgeous. I'm really glad we came out here. I really like it. Super peaceful. The salamander? Yeah, you can see him checking out all of the different things that he comes across. You have a fish checking you out too.
The fish are getting really close. But this salamander's about to check out my tail. Salamanders bite?
You're about to find out.
There's one right there too. But this one's right here.
I don't see the other one. Oh, there he is. There's another one. He's swimming right there. No, this can't be cold plunge. It's not that cold.
No, once you get your feet in.
Wow, there's a lot of fish in here. There's a bunch of them staring at you.
I am the salamander god. Oh, my salamander.
West Virginia version of watching the sunset. So the sun's about to disappear behind the mountain of trees, and that will be the sunset for me today. Oh look, chemtrail clouds. Bless you. Need a ride?
Little baby chipmunk.
Where?
Over there in the bushes.
Oh, they're so cute. Yeah, they're so small.